So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can do the rolling dice animation using the Blender with the help of the rigid body simulation. Okay, and if you want to do practice on this project, so you can download this project file free. I will put the link in the description. You can download from there free. Okay, so today I have posted one poll on my community section. So here you can see I post on next video and I give it to answer modeling tutorials and animation tutorial. So 57 people are tell ki we need an animation tutorial. So I thought yesterday we created a dice. Okay, if you didn't see that video yet, so go and check it out. Okay, so in this video I told you how to make a dice in Blender. So I thought ki if people want to animation tutorial, okay, I will make a rolling dice animation in a Blender. Okay, so here you can see guys that animation is happening very nicely here. Okay, and how I did this, so I'm just going to show you here. Okay, and I use the Eevee for the rendering. Okay, so now let's start the tutorial. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to delete everything. Okay, yeah, I'm just going to copy one dice from here and I'm just going to open a new file. I'm just going to delete everything, and after that I will add one plane here and I'm just going to scale it, and after that I will paste that dice which is I have copied from there, and I'm just going to keep it here. I will apply a all transformation. I will apply. Okay, then after that I will keep it beside for a while now because we need first a board here. So for board making I will add one plane also. Okay, I will scale it a little bit like that, and I'm just going to keep it up like that, and after that I'm just going to insert that face little bit like that, and I'm just going to delete it in a middle face. After that I'll select all faces and do extrude like this. So that's make our board. Yeah, then now I will add one plane also and I will scale it little bit like that, and I'm just going to lift little bit up like that. So that's our plane. Okay, and I'm just going to add a camera first of all. So I will just confirm a view like that. Okay, and we can set a camera like that. Okay, so our camera is set now. So now we can add a texture. Okay, and how we can add the texture? So for that I will go to the top view and I will enable my viewport shading, and I will go to my material section, and here I will add a new texture, and for a base color I will add one image texture. And now I will locate my image, and here you can see I have that texture here. So I will just open that texture, and when I open that texture is perfectly apply on it. Here you can see. Okay, so we just need a scale little bit because those number are cutting. So now it's not cutting and it's looking perfect. So we can go our camera view. So here you can see. So now I will set a background color as well. So we will take a yellow, and now after that I will add one wood texture on it. So for that I use a material library VX. So okay, that is inbuilt add-on of Blender. So I have already make one tutorial on it. So if you want to see that tutorial, I will put the link into the I button. You can see from there. Okay, so first of all I will choose as a simple I will choose a sample material. Okay, and I will choose a one wood material and I will just apply to select it. So here you can see that material is applied here. So now our texturing part is done. Okay, so now I will add one plane also. Okay, and that plane I will keep it here, and I'm just going to scale little bit like that, and I will scale it little bit like that also. Yeah, so now I'm just going to rotate it like that. Okay, Yeah, now it's fine. So now I will add my dies here. Okay, like that, and I'm just going to add a rigid body simulation to each and every section. So first of all, I will add a rigid body on that texture part. So I will go to my physics setting, and here we can see the rigid body simulation section, and I will apply as a passive. Okay, and same I will apply it that plane also passive, because if we will apply the active, that plane will be fall down, which is we don't need it. Okay, so for a dies I will apply rigid body as a active. Okay, so now I will play the animation. So let's see what happened. So when I play the animation, so you can see that animation is happening very nicely, but the size of dies is too much big, so we need a decrease that size first of all. Okay, so I'm just going to decrease the size. So now we will play the animation and let's see what happened. So now it's perfectly rolling on the floor. Okay, here you can see, and I will add one HDRI on it. So we can take any kind of HDRI. So I think that is fine. Yeah, and we will go to the render properties, and here I will enable the ambient occlusion, and here I will add the screen reflection as well, and here I will enable the refraction as well. So now that's looking much better. And for a floor I will decrease the roughness little bit, and I will change the color little bit like that, and I will change the color management also filmic to standard. So it's looking much more better now. Okay, so now here you can see that dies is perfectly rolling on the board. So now we need a copy it. Okay, yeah, so now I will do copy of the dies. So how we can do? So we will go to the first frame, and I'm just going to do Shift D and repeat command, and I'm just going to change the little bit position like this. Okay, I'm just going to rotate it every dies in their own direction. Yeah, so now I will play the animation. So here you can see these dies are rolling very nicely, but one dies is falling down, here you can see. So for that, what you have to do, you have to just keep it here. Okay, and for a top view you have to see the all dies is like that. So now I will play the animation. So I think these dies still are too big, so we need to scale down first of all. So for that I will go to the first frame also again, and I will select all dies and select that pivot point as an individual origin. So I'm just going to scale it little bit. Yeah, that is fine now. Now I will play the animation. So yeah, so now these dies are looking perfect, but still one dies is going down. So for that, what we have to do, we have to just select that dies and just change the position here to here. And now if you play the animation, so it will, yeah, so it's looking perfect. Okay guys, so here you can see that's how you can make a dies animation using the Blender and using the rigid body simulation. That is very easy to do. Okay, yeah, and if you want to increase the speed of these dies and that animation, so you can go to the world scene properties section, and here you will find the rigid body settings. So here is the speed. If I will set it 2, and then I will do the bake that simulation. So here you can see that speed is little bit faster. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to set as a 1. That is perfect for us. Yeah, so that's how guys you can do the rolling dice animation using the Blender. Okay, So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you learned something in this video, please hit the like button, hit the share button, and subscribe my channel also. And if you have any queries, if you have any suggestion, please let me know in the comment box. I will definitely reply comment. So bye bye, take care, stay home.